I'm Cheri with my girlfriend's quilt shop. And if you've ever been serging and messed up, maybe your right sides of your fabric weren't together, there's nothing more frustrating than having to unpick those stitches. But let's take a look at how quick and easy it can be. I just sewed this sample of a 4-stitch overlock thread, and we're going to unpick it quick and easy. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna come and we're gonna cut our needle threads. Our needle threads on this one are going to be the red and the green. I'm gonna come and I'm just gonna give them a little cut. There's our red one, and then I'm going to lift it up on the next couple spots so that I can pull that thread out. And I'm gonna do the same to the green needle thread. Come in and cut it, and then just pull out a couple of those stitches. In order to release it on this end, I'm going to just come and cut the red and the green needle threads. Now I'm going to grab hold of these and pull them out. So here comes our red thread and our green. Give them a pull, and out they come. And then all we have left is our upper looper that we're able to just take off, and our lower looper. And your threads are all out of your stitching. Hopefully this shortcut saves you a little bit of time.